Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 GT, guys, convertible. This is the first one in our 43, almost 44 years of being in business we've ever owned a factory S-Code 390 convertible car, guys. I've owned, I don't know, a dozen of these cars in a hardtop, but this is the first convertible that I've ever owned. I looked online, tried to get a Marty report on it, and they don't do Martys on these cars. But I did find where there was 4,300 total of these cars built, but that would be automatics and 4-speeds. This is a factory 4-speed car, so this car is probably one of, you know, maybe 1,800 cars ever built. Factory red on red car, which is very cool. It's got the white convertible top. And again, factory 390 4-speed car. It's a recent body up restoration. Car's out of Virginia, and it is a baby doll, guys. Gorgeous paint. The chrome and stainless is very nice. I mean, this thing is it runs and drives excellent. It's just a great car. Can nitpick both that front and rear bumper show a little age. Sorry, I got the doggone hiccups. It's just, yeah, it's just guys' fingerprints, guys. They're waiting out here for me to come shoot this thing, and everybody was out maw pawing it. Love the red on red. White convertible top with the glass rear window. See a little blemish there in your paint, little touch-up mark. And I'm telling you, this thing hits the road great. Couple little stone packs. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Those are brand new radial red lines. It's also got the 15-inch style wheels. Blemish right there. Yeah, not trying to pick the car apart, but probably 90% of these things I sell sight unseen, and try to point out anything that I see, man. This is a nice car, though. Love this car. This car does have power front disc brakes. Pretty paint. Again, factory S-Code 390 car. I think these are 335 horse, if I remember right. Holley dual feed 4-barrel. Again, factory 4-speed manual transmission. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Aluminum radiator with the shroud. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Also, the stamping is on the front. Oh my gosh, the core support like it's supposed to be. Well, the temperature has dropped. Nice car. And like you say, this thing drives excellent. That is a remote chrome mirror on it. I knew this car was rare when I was buying it. Like I said, I'd known I'd never bought one, and I just look back, and I mean, I've never owned one of these cars. Like I say, I've had a dozen hardtops. Nitpick the A-pillar chrome a little bit. That's a nice mirror. That's had to have been re-chromed or You can pick those a little bit. There's your door tag. You see the bottoms of the doors are nice. Some of the little chrome is coming off that the inner armrest there. Look how nice that interior is though. Love the red. I've got brand new floor mats on the way for it. Bucket seats, console, 4-speed, stock steering wheel. Again, it is a power top. I took some pictures with the top up. 84,176. That's the mileage on the car, the original miles, factory dash. Got some aftermarket gauges under there, AM radio. He said less than 1,000 miles on this car since it's been restored. H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. Factory 325 Ford 9-inch rear end. That's pretty much just standard stuff. Even the trunk light works. Factory jack was spare. He has, I guess, dynamatted under here and finished this so it quiets down the ride, which really does work too, guys. That's a nice car. Really nice car. Car's clean underneath. It's not a rotisserie or anything like that, but it's nice. It's clean. Again, I mean, both sides, the little lights in there work. Pretty car. And again, hits the road outstanding. Dash is real nice. You can tell that the gauges are factory. They're clean. Now this side is really nice on the interior chrome. Thing just runs out excellent, man. Shifts good, nice and tight. Everything opens and closes real nice. Parking brake work, Jordan?
Yeah, it does.
Parking brake does work, guys. All the gauges down there working. Looks like they are. Yep, looks like they're all working, holding good oil pressure. Yeah, even the backup lights work. It's a nice car, man. And it, like I say, it is just a pleasure to drive.
Nothing on the radio.
No? Blower motor work? I heard the horn was working. Yep, blower motor works, horn works. It's just a good car, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can always check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. Can't stress that enough. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Boy, that is a sweetheart right there. Factory red on red, 4-speed S-Code 390. Might be a little chilly there, Jordan. That is a good looking car, man. I love that body style. great day, guys.